Hi friends, today I am going to make Hyderabadi style chicken masala. Let's start. For that we are taking 800 grams chicken. We need to wash it twice and add turmeric powder half tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala half tablespoon, salt 1.5 tablespoon, paprika 2 tablespoon, that is optional, biryani masala 1/4 tablespoon, cardamom powder 1/4 tablespoon, garlic paste half tablespoon, ginger paste half tablespoon, mint leaves few, fried onions few, mix it well. Better to use the hand so that all the chicken pieces will coat nicely. And add lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Oil 4 tablespoons. Mix it well. And finally add half cup of curd and then mix it nicely so that all the ingredients applies to the chicken properly. Marinate it for 8 hours in refrigerator. After 8 hours of marination, now we need to take a pan and add marinated chicken. No need to add anything in it. Now cover and cook it for 8 minutes in medium flame. After 8 minutes of cooking, add water 1 cup and cook it for 15 minutes in low flame. After 15 minutes, let's see how it cooked. Yeah, I think it is ready. Yeah, it's became soft. So it has done. This is how we can make Hyderabadi style chicken masala.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.